Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Here I'm again sharing with you a short clip from a long video, 63 minutes video that I just recorded for my subscribers. Before proceeding with the clip, I just want to make a quick announcement. I think that you might be interested to learn about that. I have created a new product that will give you access to all the videos on the archive. These are roughly 1 month worth of videos, past videos, plus charts that date even longer than that, as well as access to today's video and all the videos that I'll be recording in the coming week. In short, a ticket that allows you access for 1 week, and I priced it at a very attractive price, only at €9.99, basically a half price of the normal rate. And it is a ticket that you can use only once. I term it in the category of the product. It is an introductory offer. You're most welcome to use it. They will give you a plenty good idea after you will see so many videos and come across so much information. It will give you a pretty good idea of what I'm doing, and see if you like to take it further. I will give more details about it at the end of the clip, so if you're interested, please stay on. Hope you enjoy the clip. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Before going through with the charts, just a few general comments. I think it is possible the euro actually hit a bottom, not necessarily for months, but we may see some rebound now. There are quite a few charts that suggest that the euro may attempt to hold its ground now and attempt to rally. So be on guard concerning that. Precious metals overall looking lower. Bonds looking lower. Stock markets, I don't see the stock markets trading to plunge. Certainly not several sectors in the US that I'll review in this video. They don't seem to be anywhere near close to collapse or anything like that. Some sectors, yes, notably the financial sector. We'll take a detailed look at that sector. I think that oil is pretty supportive so far. I mean supportive of the bullish case so far, staying at a relatively elevated level. As long as oil doesn't crash, I don't see a major and sharp bearish reversal engulfing all the stock markets. Yeah, sure, there are many stock markets, certainly in Europe, that look really close to brink of collapse. They have their own problems, but that is not to say this is a blanket statement from everything that happens in Europe or across the world. Okay, I'll begin now with the charts. And here are the charts that I have. I have quite a lot of charts. This is the Euro US dollar currency pair, the dollar index, and New Zealand dollar US dollar, Euro British pound US dollar, and then spot gold, spot silver, the Euro bond, UST bond, TLT, long yields, the Canadian mining index, the SPX, Dow transportation average. I've got XLF, which is the financial sector SPDR in the US. I've got the XLP, that's the US Consumer Staples ETF. I've got Nestle stock, very interesting. We'll have a look at the DAX, at the Hang Seng. We'll have a look at Brent crude, heating oil, and I'll terminate the video with a look at ExxonMobil. Look at an interesting chart. I was reading yesterday fundamental analysis by a US-based fund manager who is very enthusiastic about, I think his name is Winters, if I remember, Winters, and he's very enthusiastic about Nestle. Has been buying Nestle over many years. Has been accumulating the stock over long period of time, has good familiarity with the stock, and appears to be quite bullish about it, about the future prospects. Now, if you're not familiar with Nestle, it's almost impossible not to be familiar, but it's possible that you are familiar with some of the products that Nestle is selling, but you are not aware that in fact it is Nestle that is delivering. Because what they do, Nestle is a pretty sophisticated company. They often leave not only the branding of their products, companies that they buy, and they don't stop buying companies from all over the world. And this is indeed like a hedge fund. You really have to consider that the stock that you see here on the screen is a very sophisticated hedge fund with similar to what I've mentioned about Walmart, etc. They have income stream coming from all over the world. Literally, they operate in 150 countries around the world, and their operations are often left at the local level, meaning they respect fully the local tradition, the local taste, etc. They do not try to intervene, which I find a very wise approach. You don't want to walk in from one continent and try to apply methods or thinking that do not really sit right with the culture of the place. You're going to ruin the business. This often happens when managers or chief executives have an ego that really pushes them to intervene and basically really gets in the way of the business. What's going on here? This is a weekly scale that shows you also a potential head and shoulders here. Massive head and shoulders, clear cut breakout, very bullish. I'm taking this as a 1-2. I think this is a likely, we are in a third wave now. If I'm right, of course, Nestle has a very bright future ahead of it. The one way in which I could be wrong is that in fact it is heading for a top here, with this being taken as a fourth wave. Now, when you look at the scale, I don't think we had a decent second leg here. So that's why I prefer to take this as a 1-2. And I have a nice subdivision here running up. There is ample support on the daily, we'll have to go to the weekly for that, but you can see already on the weekly the rise of the moving average is very powerful. Let's go to the daily, and you can see the 50 moving average is strongly behind the move here, and the 200 is absolutely running up. Lots of things look really supportive of the bullish case here. So that is my 1-2. I think the third wave ended here, and I think we're working on the fourth. If I'm wrong, it is possible that that is a 1-2, that's a 3, the fourth ended here, that's the fifth. That's the fifth, and what is coming now is a correction to the entire run that began from here, in which case the correction might last slightly longer, might actually run to retest the running up moving average, the 200, might go to 51.25, 52.50, and let me show you the 60 minutes and see why I suspect we could be looking at a correction. Look, somehow this looks like a good 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It could be that I'm wrong. It could be that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an A, that's a B, that's a C. That's the one thing that can save this stock from retest of 55 and potentially going a lot lower. But if I'm right in reading this, that appears like a classic A, B, C, maybe slight jump and then a sharp reversal under 55. It might last several days, in which case it will be an excellent buying opportunity. Okay, let's be. I'm clear on that. I hope that you have seen the moving average, you've seen the daily, the weekly. I think if we get a sharp slide towards 53.75, 52.50, that will turn into a C, and I would imagine it will rebound back to retest the top here, and at some point down the road, it's going to exceed that. Hello again. If you're interested to have further information about my website, my services, and the new product, please press home on the page at which you are. That will take you to the home page of my website. That's the home page. If you're not familiar with it, you can run through a few sections that I've got here, a few articles I wrote right here. Then at the resources, under the resources menu, you've got here a few sections like what subscribers say, affiliate program. It's something that you can join. You don't have to be a subscriber. If you want any further details, please get in touch with me. Links to my videos are in Elliott. Here you can download a full-scale book of this remarkable man. If you like to learn further, I do suggest you use the information I give here. Download the book, read it 2-3 times. You'll make quite a lot of progress. It's not a purely theoretical book. It has a lot of practical applications. That's what I like about it so much. Private policy terms of use, fairly standard. Why join? Read, you'll find the arguments that I put forward, how I can help various categories of traders. Subscribe here. This is the section where you really have to follow the instructions to the letter. Whether you want to use, you want to take advantage of the new product that I just created, priced at €9.99. That gives you access to the entire archive of the videos, of the charts, plus 1 week full of access to the fresh videos that will come up during the week. You will find it in the list of the products that come up the screen once you go through the process, and there is only one product that is priced at $9.99. Now pay attention, you can't buy that product twice. Once you buy it, you pay the $9.99. It gives you access for 8 days. To be sure, I put it at 8 days, so you are sure to have 7 days full access, whichever time of the day you fall in. After that time expires, you will not be able to buy this ticket again. It is designed this way because I don't want people to abuse it's basically an introductory offer. And if you're interested to take it further, whether you want to use to subscribe later to the full product, or whether to subscribe only to the weekend product, you can make your choice. If you need further information, of course, don't hesitate to contact me. If you have any trouble whatsoever, use Contact Us to get in touch with me, and I'll do my best to help you. Currently, I accept payments in through Alert Pay and Money Bookers. I contemplate at some point down the road to add also PayPal, but don't wait for that. That might not be around the corner for quite some time. So if you're interested, go ahead with the credit card processor that I do use now. So that's Contact Us. Tell a friend. Speaks for itself. If you have anything positive to say about my website, my clips, please do. I appreciate you spreading the word. Downloads, that's where you can download many charts that I put in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do, how detailed it is. Recommended reading list. I think that you might find some interesting things here. Apart from links that I give to books, you can download full-scale books. Frequently asked questions. You really got to read this if you decide to subscribe to any of the services, because that will help you to find past charts, past videos, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So hope to see you. Hope to see you on my website. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. I am here to help you, and wishing you successful trading. Bye now.